The Redmi K80 Pro is a compelling entry in the premium smartphone segment, offering high-end features at a competitive price point. Design display: the K80 Pro features a sleek design with color options like black, white, mint, and champion black. It has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, supporting a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10, and a peak brightness of 1400 nits. This ensures vibrant visuals, deep contrast, and smooth user interactions. Performance: powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and an octa-core CPU clocked up to 4.32 GHz, the K80 Pro handles demanding applications effortlessly. The device includes 8 GB RAM and 256 GB UFS 4.0 storage for seamless multitasking. Camera system: the triple camera setup includes 50MP wide, Sony IMX800 sensor, for sharp, detailed images, 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 32MP ultrawide for expansive shots. It supports 8K video recording and includes advanced features like HDR and panorama. The front 32MP camera delivers excellent selfies and 1080p video recording. Battery charging: the phone is equipped with a massive 6000 mAh battery with 120W fast charging, fully charging in minutes. It also supports 30W wireless charging, catering to heavy users. Overall, the Redmi K80 Pro is a strong contender in its price range, ideal for users seeking flagship features without breaking the bank. Thank you so much.